Welcome back, students. Let's continue our discussion on set theory. Problems based on set builder form and roster form. Write the solution set of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 in roster form. One second question. Write the solution set of the equation x square minus, or else I will write the question. Write the solution set of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 in roster form. Clearly this is set builder form, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Write the set in roster form. Roster form suggests list out all the elements, means list out solutions of this equation. Write the solution set of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 in roster form. In roster form we list out all the elements, means solve this quadratic equation, then you get two roots, write it in roster form. Consider given equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation by factorization or by completing square or by using formula, as you wish. Either you can use factorization or else by completing square or by formula method. I will factorize. Product of two numbers should be equal to plus 6 and their sum should be equal to minus 5. Those numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Next, x minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3 or x equal to 2. Write the solution set of the equation in roster form. Roster form means we list out all the elements. List out all the solutions of this equation. Our required is roster form enclosed within curly brackets. You can write 3 comma 2 or else 2 comma 3 because order of the elements is immaterial. You can write 3 comma 2 or 2 comma 3. In roster form order of the elements is immaterial. Either you can write 3 2 or 2 3. Suppose this set is taken as A. This is roster form of given set. Or else A is equal to 2 comma 3. Order of the elements is immaterial. Either you can write 3 comma 2 or 2 comma 3. It will not make any difference. Order of the elements is immaterial. Next question, write the solution set of the equation solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. This is given question. Write the set in roster form. Roster form means list out all the elements. Just find the solutions, means roots of this quadratic equation, then write the roster form. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Again, just by factorization, product of two numbers should be minus 2 and their sum should be equal to plus 1. Those numbers are 2 and minus 1. If you multiply these two numbers, you get minus 2. If you add these two numbers, you get plus 1. Just by factorization, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Lastly, we get x equal to minus 2 or x equal to plus 1. Then roster form means we list out all the elements. Write the solutions in roster form. After solving minus 2 comma 1, or else you can write 1 comma minus 2 because order of the elements is immaterial. Or a is equal to 1 comma minus 2. These problems are important for 1 mark. Write the given set in roster form or write the given set in set builder form. These problems are important for 1 mark. Next problem. Write the set next problem. Write the set x such that x is positive integer, x such that x is positive integer, x is positive integer and x square should be less than 40. In the roster form, they have given set builder form. We need to write roster form. In set builder form, we express property or properties of elements. Instead of listing all the elements, we express properties. Here there are two properties. What is one of the properties? It should be a positive integer. It is one of the property. And its square should be less than 40. There are two properties here. What are those properties? X is positive integer. It is one of the property. And one more property they have given. That is x square is less than 40. Means elements of the set consisting of positive integers and their square should be less than 40. There are two properties. Take positive integers, their square should be less than 40. Directly I will write. Roster form means we list out. What are the condition? Positive integer means 0 is not included because 0 is not positive nor negative. Positive means 1. Check whether its square is less than 40 or not. Take 1 and take its square. What is 1 square value? 1 square is 1, clearly it is less than 40. Means one of the element is 1. Tell me 2 is possible or not? Clearly 2 is positive integer and its square is 4, means less than 40. 2 is possible. Then check whether 3 is possible or not. Clearly possible, because 3 is positive integer and its square. What is 3 square value? 9. Clearly it is less than 40. Next, 4. Clearly 4 is possible, because 4 is positive integer and its square is less than 40. Its square is 16. 16 is less than 40. Next, 5. Clearly possible, because 5 is positive integer. If you take its square, clearly it gives 25. 25 is less than 40. Next, 6. 6 is positive integer and its square, instead of x, write particular numbers. Means give values for x for which x square should be less than 40 and x should be positive. Then 6 square, clearly 36. If you take 7, it is a positive number, but its square is more than 40, means 7 is not possible. Remaining all the positive integers are not possible. Up to 6 is possible. 7 is positive, one of the properties satisfied, one of the conditions satisfied, but second condition not satisfied for 7, 8, 9 and so on. 1 to 6. All positive integers whose square is less than 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the given set in roster form. Next, write the set. Next problem. Write the set A is equal to x such that x is an integer x such that x is an integer and one more condition, it lies between -3 to +7 in roster form. Write this set in roster form. Write the set A is equal to x such that, clearly it is set builder form. Common properties are given. X should be integer and it is in between -3 to 7. You can take it as A or B. Write all the integers in between -3 to +7. It should be an integer, means negative values are possible. Positive integer means purely positive numbers. Here only integer means it may be positive or negative. Write all the integers in between -3 to 3. Here strict inequalities are given, means excluding endpoints. Suppose strict inequalities either less than or strictly less than or strictly greater than, excluding endpoints. These two symbols represents excluding endpoints. Suppose greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Suppose these two symbols are given, then include endpoints. If these two symbols are given, then include endpoints. Including endpoints. In this case, exclude. Exclude endpoints. Clearly in this case, strictly greater than and strictly less than they have given, means excluding. Write all the integers between -3 and 7. -3 means -2, greater than -3, -1, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is not possible because strict inequality excluding endpoint means this is our required set in roster form. Write all the integers in between -3 and 7. Those are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 is not possible. Excluding -3 and 7, write all the integers. Next problem. Next problem, write the set B x such that x is a natural number and less than 6. Write the set in roster form. This is set builder form. They have given common property. Here what is common property? One of the property is a natural number. It is first property. Second property, it should be less than 6. Set B in roster form. Set of all natural numbers less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the given set in roster form means write all the natural numbers less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is set builder form and corresponding roster form. Next problem. Write the set, some set C x such that x is a 2-digit. X is a 2-digit natural number. And are such that sum of its digits is 8. Sum of its digits is 8. Set C is given in set builder form. We need to write roster form. They have given common property possessed by each element of the set. X is 2-digit natural number, it is one property. And one more condition they have given, not only 2-digit number, their sum should be equal to 8. Means sum of 2 digits. Consider 2-digit natural number and sum of those 2 digits. Means if you take 22, clearly it is 2-digit number, but sum of the digits is not equal to 8. If you take 22, it is 2-digit number, but its sum is not equal to 2 plus 2 is not equal to 8. They have given 2 conditions. First condition is x should be a 2-digit natural number and sum should be equal to 8. If you take 10 is 2-digit number, 2-digit natural number, but its sum of the digits is not equal to 8. 17, clearly it is 2-digit natural number, and if you add these 2 digits, clearly you get 8. It is possible. Next, 26, clearly 2-digit natural number and sum of the digits. 2 plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. Next, 27, 28, 29, all are not possible. Next, 35, clearly possible. because 3 plus 5 is 8 and it is 2 digited. Next 44, it is 2 digited natural number and sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means these two sum, 3 5 sum, 4 4 8. Next 53, 2 digited natural number and sum of the digits is 8. If you add these two digits, it should be equal to 8. Next 62, it is possible. Next 71, it is possible, 2 digited and sum should be 8. Next 80. Next remaining all 2 digited numbers are not possible because sum of the digits should be equal to 8. There are two conditions. One is 2 digited natural number, it should be 2 digited, and sum of the digits should be equal to 8. Those elements or those numbers are 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. These are 2 digited natural numbers and sum of the digits is 8. This is roster form of the given set. This is set builder form, it is roster form. Next question, write the set E equal to the set of all letters in the word in the word not world, word trigonometry. The word trigonometry. The set of letters in the word trigonometry. Set of all letters in the word trigonometry in roster form. Roster form means we list out all the elements of the set only once. Set E in roster form is set E equal to letters of the word T, R, I, Z, O, N. O already written. Don't repeat the elements. In roster form, repetition of the elements is not allowed. O already written. N, then M, next E, next T already written, R already written, Y. This is set builder form of roster form of the word trigonometry. Letters of the word trigonometry in roster form. T, R, write all distinct letters. T, R, I, Z, O, N. O already written. M, E, T and R already written. Directly write Y. List out all the elements of the letter and repetition of the objects or repetition of the elements is not allowed in roster form. Write the elements once. This is corresponding roster form. Next one, T is equal to set of all the letters, in the word Tungal. Write all the letters, set up all the letters in the word Tungal in a roster form, corresponding roster form. Write distinct elements T, U, N, Z, A, L. In this word, clearly all the letters are distinct. T, U, N, Z, A, L. Next problem. Write the set A is equal to X such that X is an odd natural number in roster form. X such that X is an odd natural number in roster form. Set A equal to, write all the odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on, because there exist many odd natural numbers, infinite number of odd natural numbers, so write and so on dot dot. Next, write the set B equal to X such that X is an integer, and greater than -1/2 and less than 9/2 in roster form. Here properties they have given, it should be an integer, there is no distinction either positive or negative, and it should be in between -1/2 to 9/2. -1/2 to 9/2 means -0.5 to greater than -0.5 and less than 4.5. Write all the integers between -1/2 to 9/2 in roster form. That's equal to, write all the integers more than -1/2. More than -1/2 means it is 0. After -0.5 integer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because less than 4.5 means 4 included. If you take number line, it is 0, here -1, -2 and so on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Greater than means here -1/2 is there. After -1/2 what is integer? 0, and here we have 4.5. Less than 4.5, what is integer? Previous integer of 4.5, that is 4. 0 more than -1/2 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4.5 means 4 is included, 4.5 is excluded. Consider all the integers between -0.5 to +4.5. This is our required set. Next one. Next, write the set. Write the set write this set two, 4, 6, 8 and so on in a set builder form. In set builder form. Write this set in set builder form. They have given roster form. Just look at each element of this set. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Means what is common property? They have given roster form. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Means clearly all are natural numbers. It is one property. Clearly all are natural numbers. It is one thing. And all are even. Means what we can write? X such that X is even natural number. Here what is common property? First write X only. X such that. We should give definition for X. What is definition of X in this case? Clearly it is multiple of 2. It is also multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. X such that X belongs to N. Right? Clearly X is a natural number. And what is one more condition? And X equal to 2N. It is one of the method. X should be any natural number and X is multiple of 2. It is one method. Or else you can write, or in other words, same set we can write it as X such that X is a even natural number. X is an even natural number. Both represents same only. It is one of the method. X should be a natural number and X equal to 2n. Or else in other words, X such that X is an even natural number. It is roster form corresponding set builder form. Next, write the set. Write the set. Write the set 125, 625 in roster form, in set builder form. Just observe these elements. Clearly it is 5, 25, 125, 625. Observe elements of the set and write it set builder form. Suppose B equal to X such that clearly X such that X equal to clearly 5 power n, and one more condition we should give. What is distinction for n? Clearly it is 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3 and 5 power 4. And n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X such that X equal to clearly each element is power of 5. So X equal to 5 power n and X n values. There are two distinctions. It is power of 5 and what about power, whether positive or negative? Clearly 1, 2, 3. 1, it is 2, 3 and 4. This is corresponding set builder form. Roster form they have given, corresponding set builder form. Next one, next problem. write the set 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Write the set in set builder form. This is roster form. Roster form they have given. I will rewrite the given set. Clearly it is 2 power 1, comma 2 power 2, comma 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. Clearly each element is power of 2. Given set in set builder form. X such that. Give definition for x. What is x? X equal to clearly 2 power n. And what is n? Natural number. N belongs to natural number, comma. It is lies between 1 to 5. Write all the conditions. Power should be natural number and it is power of 2, or else in other words you can write set B is equal to x such that x equal to 2 power n, and what are n values? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This you should write. It is roster form corresponding set builder form. Write any one. Both are one and the same. Natural number in between 1 to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both represent same only. You can write any one. Next, write the set 1, 4, 9 and so on 100 in set builder form. Roster form they have given. We need to write roster form. Just look at each element of the set. Clearly each element of the set is 1 is nothing but 1 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 9 is nothing but 3 square and so on 10 square. Then some set x equal to, or else you can take any one, x equal to x such that x equal to n square, because each is square, each element is square of one element, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and n should be equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Last element is 10. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. This is corresponding set builder form. Next, write the set. Write the set 1 divided by 2, comma 2 divided by 3, comma 3 divided by 4, comma 4 divided by 5, comma 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. In set builder form, it is one of the important 1 mark question. Write this set in set builder form. Just look at each element. Denominator is 1 more than the numerator. Denominator is 1 more than the numerator. Here 1 is there, 1 more than the numerator, 2. here 2 is there, 3, here 3 is there, denominator 4, 4 is there, denominator 5, means it follow one rule. Each element satisfied one formula, that is n divided by n plus 1. In general we should write denominator is 1 more than the numerator, then x such that x equal to, it follow the formula n divided by n plus 1. And what is distinction for n? N should be a natural number. Clearly numerator and denominator both are natural numbers. And what is distinction for n? Greater than or equal to, or else where n is a natural number. And one more condition. What is distinction for n? N should be lies between one to 6 only, or else in other words you can write what is common formula x such that common formula is n divided by n plus 1 comma n equal to, n should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can write in this way or in this way. This is one of the important 1 mark question. Thank you.